Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I want to show you another tips and tricks and how to win easily in Dama. Okay, but now I want to show you using the real board and not in the cell phone. Not recording the cell phone, but on the real board, so that you may learn fast and easily. Okay, but before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell below to get updates from my latest video. So now guys, let's start the tutorial. This time guys, all we need to do, the first move, as usual, we need to move this one into this place. Okay, so that's the first move I have told you before, right? So the enemy will go here in this time. Okay, so every time you see that the enemy goes right there, you may use this formation. Okay, so your next move is this. As usual, the enemy goes right here. Okay, so this time you will go right here. The enemy will go right here. If you go right here, then the enemy will cover, so we will not go right there. Let's just go right here, because if we go right here, the enemy will eat twice. We will not, or we cannot make the arrow tail and the arrowhead, or the arrow. Okay, so we will just sacrifice this one. Okay, so we will sacrifice from this base. Then if the enemy goes right here, right there, then you have win the game. You can surely win the game if you have 2 or 1 chip advantage from your enemy. As you can see, there is the arrow tail and the arrowhead. If you go and punch right there, you will just end up here. So if this one will be out, then you go right there. So what will you do? The only thing you need to do is let that one eat up. Okay, so let that eat up, and now this area is now open for you to punch right there. Okay, so 1 hit for the enemy and the second hit for the enemy, but you have 4 hits: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright guys, so now as you can see, you have 2 pieces advantage, and that 2 pieces advantage has a great impact in winning the game. And please remember, if you have a piece advantage, let your enemy eat up. Always eat up to make them less or weaker. Okay, so that's all for the video for today. And for the next video, I wanna teach you, I wanna told you another tips and tricks. So that's all for the video for today. Hope you will learn a lot from that video, and hope you can do it in the real life. Okay, in a real scenario, in every situation that you will face an enemy with that formation. And okay guys, see you next video.